Which of the following is the Sun predominantly made up of? The answer is hydrogen. The Sun is a large sphere of heated gas that is blazing. Roughly 70% of this gas is hydrogen, while about 28% is helium. 1.5% of matter is made up of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, while the remaining 0.5% is made of other elements. The largest circular storm in our solar system is on the surface of which of the following planets? The answer is Jupiter. The largest storm, which is ever seen in solar system, is in Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is the planet which is also called the gas giant. The rapidly moving stream of charged particles that is being driven away from the Sun is known as what? The answer is solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of extremely hot, charged particles that are thrown out from the upper atmosphere of the Sun. One Jupiter day is equal to which of the following? The answer is 9 hours 50 minutes. Jupiter's day varies from 9 hours and 56 minutes around the poles to 9 hours and 50 minutes close to the equator. The time interval between two successive occurrences of a specific type of alignment of a planet or the Moon with the Sun and the Earth is referred to as. The answer is synodic period. The time interval between two successive occurrences of a particular type of lineup of a planet with the Sun and the Earth is called the synodic period. How long the sunspot cycle? The answer is 11 years. Sunspots can last for weeks or even years before dissipating. The number of sunspots varies over a multi-year cycle. Historical records going back to the 1700s reveal that this sunspot cycle is roughly 11 years long, though sometimes it is longer or shorter. In which following types of galaxies the Andromeda Galaxy belongs to? The answer is spiral. Both the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxies belong to a subtype known as barred spirals, which make up 2/3 of the group. Barred spirals sport ribbons of stars, gas, and dust that cut across their centers. Scientists think the presence of a bar indicates that a galaxy has reached full maturity. Which unlucky Apollo lunar landing was canceled after an oxygen tank exploded? The answer is Apollo 13. Apollo 13 was NASA's third moon landing mission, but the astronauts never made it to the lunar surface. During the mission's dramatic series of events, an oxygen tank explosion almost 56 hours into the flight forced the crew to abandon all thoughts of reaching the moon. There is only one planet in the solar system has a day which lasts longer than its year. Which one? The answer is Venus. The planet with the longest day is Venus, which takes 5,832 hours to complete one rotation about its axis. One unique fact about Venus is that it completes the revolution around the Sun faster than rotation about its axis. This means that the length of a year in Venus is lesser than that of its day. Which spacecraft is the first manned spacecraft? The answer is Vostok 1. Vostok 1 was the first spacecraft to carry a human, Yuri Gagarin, into space, occurring 25 days prior to the first U.S. suborbital flight. Because of concerns of adverse reactions due to experiencing weightlessness, the manual controls on the spacecraft were locked prior to launch, and the entire flight was under the control of ground personnel.